Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this super cute lemonade cutout. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to base coat my background in the color Sea Glass, and I'm just using a 1.5 inch flat brush, and this one I buy at Walmart. It is a full card brush, comes in a pack of 2. And then for the rest of my project, I'll be using brushes from the pack that we saw on the website. And the one that I used for my lemonade is a number 12 flat, and I use the color soft pink. And then for my ice cubes, I'm going in again with Sea Glass and just like a number 6 round to paint those. Now I'm going in and painting my lemons, and for the inside of my lemons, I'm using the color Daisy, and for the outside, I'm using Colonel Mustard. And again, all the paint that I use in this video is Dixie Belle chalk paint, which can be purchased online at buildacross.com. Next, I'm going in with the color Limeade to paint my leaves that are coming off of my lemons. And then following this, I'm going to go in and begin to paint my glass. And I'm using the color Haint Blue by Dixie Belle. It's a really light blue, almost paper white. But it does have a small blue tint to it. And I'm painting my straw in the color Peony. Now I'm going to go in, and everything here is dry, so I'm going in and just brushing over that Haint Blue that my cup is. Just brushing that over everything so that it kind of looks like you're seeing through glass. And then I'm just going to dry everything a little bit so that I'll be able to go in and begin to outline. And I'm just using a heat gun. And so far, I've really loved using a heat gun. It's definitely made everything go by faster instead of having to wait on it to dry. And I'm going to highlight / outline on my cup here. So I'm outlining with white instead of black for some of these details because I feel like black would be too harsh. So I'm going to outline my ice cubes as well, and I'll be using a number 4 round for this. Just doing the same thing on my lemons, and I'm also going to go ahead and highlight those. Now I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker and outlining everything. I also outlined a few of the spots on my cup, which is some black paint and a number 4 round. I didn't want the harsh line that the Sharpie adds. And then I'm going in with a number 4 round in the color Peony, and I'm painting my lettering. And then that's it. That'll complete my project. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.